Morning, everyone. Welcome to day 3 here at the Freedom Factory for Armageddon. Let's go see what's going on today. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're enjoying this series here on Armageddon here at the Freedom Factory, Bradenton, Florida. It's been hot, but I enjoy bringing this content to you for those of you that can't make it. I know they threw this thing together last minute, so a lot of people didn't have a chance to make it. Luckily I live here in Florida, so it wasn't too bad for me to get here. It's been fun, met some really cool people, met some fellow YouTubers as well. It's been fun. I hope you've enjoyed this. This is day 3. It's the last day, so we will see what we got going on. All right, so if you've been in the hobby more than 2 seconds, you know these guys, M2C, and we'll let him explain this beast that he's got going on here.
So this is our latest creation. This is the Mega Kraton. We shoehorned this Max 4 combo onto the Mega Kraton. We got the chassis kit with the bullets and the extended axle. We're going to be able to come in at under $400 for the basic kit and get you so that you can mount this motor, and it's going to be backwards compatible all the way back to stock. So you can take a stock Kraton with our basic kit and make it so it's upgradable along the way. Because, you know, everybody buys the car and then you upgrade along the way. This kit is available for that too. We should have this thing out in 2 to 3 weeks. We just tested it yesterday. Aldo tested it out in the badge pit here at Armageddon 2024, and it did phenomenal. He just turned up the punch today and geared it down, or up, Aldo? Geared it up, and we're gonna see. It did great yesterday. We're super happy and super excited. This car's got half of our stuff on that side and half the stock stuff, so you got a good comparison to look at. It's on a little rotary table made by Officer Matt. Big shout out to Matt Hermesmeyer. I believe that's how you pronounce his name, for making us this killer stand. Come down to M2CRacing.net, check us out.
All right, thanks.
You want to come hop in the back?
Jump in the back. Late.
Innovation RC is riding his Kraton. That's impressive. All right, this is probably the one everybody's want to tune in for, the high jump. You know, as straight as that ramp is, I have flashbacks of that skate park time with my 8S Outcast where it went up and came straight back down. Oh shit. Ooh. Be interesting. I want to see if somebody runs an 8S up there. Oh. The cash team failed on that one. Woo! Nice catch. That dude in the green almost bounced that off his
Yeah.
Whoa.
It wasn't on the grass.
He landed on it.
That's a little too much juice.
Ooh.
Oh, man.
That was harsh. God damn, that was hard.
You give him whiplash jerking him in.
The shots. Ooh. Alrighty, let's check this out. This is a two-man race. The driver is blindfolded, and the spotter's gonna tell you stop, start, brake, left, right. So, should be interesting. I'm gonna check this out for a little bit. It is 4 in the afternoon, probably about as hot as it's gonna get, and I'm sorry about the wind. So should have grabbed the windsock. Sorry. Wow, the wind. If I need to, I'll move up there, but I'm kind of like, back's hurting.
Good hands coming from the spotter over here. You talk to him, spotter.
Well, if I stayed out here all day, it would be a very long video. Watch this. It's very, very long for people to give. But that gives you an idea of what's going on there. It's a team event. So, all right. I'm going to go cool off and wait for the next one.
Team Megatron's doing pretty good.
Hey, man, you know what, guys? Hopefully you can hear me. I know it's windy. It's a little after 4. I think all the events are done. Everything that I know that they were going to do has been checked off. The only thing they said at like 7 or 8 o'clock, they were going to have an award ceremony and a winner of a raffle, which I did get a ticket from RC Driver, but I don't think it's worth staying that late. I'm just going to wrap it up. I'm going to go back to my room, grab a shower, try to get some sleep so I can hit the road early, so I can avoid some of the holiday traffic on the weekend, because you know it's Memorial Day weekend. So trying to travel at night, travel light, and beat the traffic. So hope you enjoyed the 3-day tour here at Armageddon. It's a good event. It definitely needs work. It could be better, but this is their first year at it. But it's not their first event, so I'm a little disappointed in that. I could critique some stuff, but I'm gonna say that for later. But all right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching us out here sweat to bring you this stuff. Man, thank you for joining me. Hopefully you subscribe and join us for more RC adventures. Thank you to Rusty Screws RC for letting me stay under their tent, giving me water and snacks and stuff like that. Subscribe to his channel, link down below, man. Help grow. He's got this crazy jet cars. So help him out, man. Let's grow his channel. He's a good guy. Everyone, thanks for watching. See you next one.